Para sa akin, ito na yung pinakasulit na Unli Korean Samgyup sa Metro Manila. Kasi bukod sa Unli 20 plus meats, madami at masasarap yung mga sides. Free ang dessert at Instagrammable sa ganda yung kanilang dining area. Napabalik nga ako sa Sibuli Unlimited Korean Barbecue at this time, pinuntahan ko yung branch nila sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. For 695 pesos, you can avail 20 plus only meats plus a variety of sides. All day price yan ha. Photo-worthy, maaliwalas, hindi mauso. Ideal go-to place for quality time with family and friends. They serve high-quality meat sourced from the USA and Europe at mga popular Korean dishes like japchae, gimbap, pajon, samu, kimchi, fish cake at ang fan favorite na steamed egg. Isa pang nagustuhan ko dito yung mga flavored boneless Korean fried chicken nila. Masasarap talaga lahat. May soy garlic, honey butter, original, tsaka itong favorite kong spice. When it comes to meat, some are served plain while others are expertly marinated in their secret sauce. They offer only beef, only pork, and only chicken options. Syempre, may cheese dip na available. Nagustuhan ko dito yung fresh daepe samgyupsal. Bago daw to sa menu. Unmarinated thinly sliced pork belly. Gusto ko yung mild natural pork flavor nito that is rich yet clean tasting. Syempre, on the top of my list, itong pork enoki. From the looks of it, you can really tell that it's fresh at perfect match sa cheese dip. If you're into chicken barbecue, must try itong chicken bulgogi. Sesame marinated, it has a sweet and slightly smoky flavor. For drinks, bias ko pa rin itong cookies and cream shake nila. Sulit yan kasi madami. At ito yung isa sa mga pinakabida sa kanila, yung free ice cream. And I tell you, special talaga at masarap yung ice cream nila. They also offer linen and fragrance spray para matanggal yung amoy ng usok after nyo kumain. And take note, open din sila for delivery. You can order at shop.sibuli.ph and enjoy a 10% discount by using the code KBBQ10. Sibuli is also available on GrabFood and accepts orders through Viber. Open na rin palang 5th branch nila sa 2nd floor of 1 Ayala, Makati.